Hey guys, Yukon. Got a huge mess here. Swapped heads and stuff out on the Cutlass, blew a head gasket. Now, this intake here is off a Trailblazer SS. I don't think running out of heat here. Okay, I got this little mini torch I bought. Best investment I've ever. Now that's the original intake. Throttle body ain't gonna work because it's a 3-bolt. This one's a 4-bolt, like a GTO type setup. Also, where the fuel rails sit is a 1/2 inch lower than what my truck intake did. So I'm switching all my fuel rails over. And this is what I did. I cut these tabs off. Where are we at? Hold on. I'll have to refill that. But here's the tabs that were on here. I just trimmed them off, and I'm cutting little chunks of plastic off of this one, and all I'm doing is setting them in place and then using that little torch to melt them in. Now this one, I used a blue zip tie so you could see where I'm going and what I'm doing. I'll get a better video when it's done and kind of cleaned up. And yeah, but this is what I'm doing. This is to convert the Trailblazer SS intake to my original 2000 5.3 intake to make everything work, because I got a fuel. This intake has a built-in fuel regulator, so I don't need the C5 Corvette filter regulator deal. And so the injectors off of this had a different plug, so I'd have to convert my wiring harness over and all that stuff, and I didn't want to do that. So this is what I'm doing. I'm switching the fuel rails off of the original intake and modifying them to fit the Trailblazer SS intake, which is basically just dropping this 1/2 inch and then plastic welding the drop tabs or whatever you want to call them on. And I'll get a better clip of this when it's done.